Yes, now we are discussing about food business. In that today we are discussing about tomato sauce making. Take 1 kg of tomato, clean it well, then put it in cooker. Let come one whistle. Then take the needle. Then take needle mixture. Then in the same cooker you can mix it well. Then take a filter. By filtering you can take in a bowl. Mix 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon red mirchi powder. So what we have to do is, in cooker, all your tomatoes, if you cook up to getting one whistle, then it is good for you. It will be juicy. Then if you put in mixie and combine sugar, salt and red mirchi powder, it is good for you to make tomato sauce in home. Sauce in home. Utility. Again, next point is utility. Again, you can mix it well. Then after cooling, take a plastic bottle. In that you can put that tomato sauce in that. Then you can use it in a small cup to take. Meanwhile, in French fries, potato chips, especially noodle, you can utilize it well for consumption in 2 weeks. You need not use any chemical to keep up well. Next point is packing and sales. If you sell in market, you must use food preservatives. Keep the product well up to 3 months. For keeping in bottles, tomato sauce bottles will be available in plastic shops. If you are interested to do it, it is a good profitable business. How can I make tomato sauce thicker? There are few things you can do thicken your sauce. Simmer. You can simmer the sauce to a low heat for quite a long time without affecting the flavor. Thicken. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn starch. And next point is, what is the difference between tomato ketchup and tomato sauce? Ketchup is made with tomatoes, sugar, vinegar, acetic acid and spices, whereas the tomato sauce is made from tomatoes, oil, meat or vegetable stock and spices. Another major point of difference between the two is sauce generally doesn't contain sugar, while ketchup has a specific amount of sugar and other sweet spices. And next point is, how long should you cook tomato sauce? I give a cooking range of 30 minutes to 90 minutes. Shorter cooking times will yield a thinner sauce with a fresher tomato flavor. Longer cooking times will thicken your sauce and give it a cooked flavor. Next point is, how long should you cook tomato sauce? I give 30 to 90 minutes of time, then it will cook well, and then you can do all flavors. You can mix all flavors we discussed previously. So that's in the information. And especially tomato sauce making is easy, but 1 or 2 months you should get trained under one person for getting practical experience. That is must. Otherwise some differences will come. So you can utilize all the tomato sauces in a good way if you are having good practical experience. That is must. Then if you implement it, it is very well. If you want to sell locally, nothing is required. But if you want to sell your product, tomato sauce, in district wise or state wise, means you should take all types of trade licenses and registration certificates, FSSAI certifications and all these. Then you will get very good profits and it will be useful to you if you want to run in the long run. Otherwise, if you may have a fear also, what is that is, I am doing everything, my machinery is there, my location is very good and everything is there, but how long I can run? Already I am having 55 years of age. In 3 to 4 years, if in 5 years I should have retirement, that time who will see this? You need not worry about all these fears, because if you sell out to the goodwill also will come. Suppose your location and machinery, all these and services will have around 50 lakhs of equipment, means you can sell out that for a goodwill of again 50 lakhs, because sellers, buyers, and everything will be familiar with that location, and the service engineers and service persons all are dedicated to you, so that you will management will be changed, but the service will be the same to all. So that time you will get very good goodwill also. You can be settled very well. So don't fear that how long I can do. You can do. Otherwise, it is better to sell out with good goodwill. Then you will be settled very well. Wishing you all the best.